breakfast time. So we're having blueberry waffles. And then yung leftover na pancit or bihon from yesterday at Grandma's house. Yung adobo kakainin namin mamaya. Kain! Good morning ulit, guys. It's now 10:39 na ng umaga. It's a Thursday.
At the stop sign, turn left onto Southern Dunes Boulevard.
It's a Thursday and papunta kaming guys, Universal Studios. Kami lang ni Ken. It will take us around less than an hour to get there. So excited kami, guys. First time ko, and Ken's been there before. So, but first time namin pumunta na kaming dalawa. So this is
in half a mile, turn right onto US 27 North.
We're both excited. Hindi sumama yung pamangkin ni Ken kasi yung isang Universal Studios yung gusto niyang puntahan, yung may mga roller coasters. Hindi naman kami mahilig doon. Hindi kami mahilig sa mga roller coasters. So, ayun, sumama siya sa mom niya. Pumunta sila sa parang water park. Something. So, ayun. See you guys sa Universal. Finally, na-push talaga namin, guys. So, anong day na ba? Day 4 namin dito sa Florida. And we'll be flying out tomorrow ng gabi. So,
at the next light, turn right.
Maximize namin yung time namin dito. See you sa Universal. Hi.
Red light, camera ahead.
Dito na kami, guys. Kaka-park lang namin. Dito pa kami sa parking building. So, daming tao. You okay? So, welcome. Here. Let's take picture, my love. Dito kami sa Panda Express, guys. May parang food court dito sa loob.
Orange, yeah, they're the same thing. Orange chicken. No, just a bowl.
So we're having orange chicken and fried rice. Orange chicken and fried rice. Pareho kami ni Ken. Let's eat. Thank you. pumasok kami dito kanina guys, the Bornstacular show. Isa siyang show and sobrang nag-enjoy kami ni Ken. Pa-picture kami kina Scooby-Doo and the gang. How is it so far, my love?
It's very nice.
We're both enjoying, guys.
Thank you. You know you're a big deal when one person claps.
Pasok kami dito, guys.
I'm not the one with the free
Makeup horror show. Horror makeup show.
director, Mandy Petty. Thank you. Oh, I love the set.
Tapos na kaming manood ng horror makeup show, guys. Tapos paglabas namin, umuulan na pala. But okay lang. At least nakabili kami ng payong dun sa yung parang souvenir shop nila kanina. Pagpasok namin dito. So,
So ET is that way.
where?
Straight ahead. Transformers.
Okay. Let's go to ET.
I think the wrong line.
Yeah. Wherever you want to go.
Caught a little bit of magic in your eyes last night. You were shooting pool, we were taking shots under the dim lights. Got a little smile that knocked me off of my seat. I started falling for you. And I didn't know what to do, but I knew that I had to make a move. From the moment that I watched you walk into my life, yeah, I just knew that I had to make a move. And I knew that I had to be with you. I just knew that I had to be with you.
Naalala nyo to, guys, yung sa Back to the Future na sasakyan.
My bed, we were holding hands, I was making plans, a future so bright. Caught a lift uptown, down by the bay, under the stars. I started falling for you. And I didn't know what to do, but I knew that I had to make a move.
How are you, my love?
Good. How about you?
I'm good. Are you tired? I'm good. Guys, anong oras na? What time is it?
4:30.
4:30 na, guys, and so far naka-4 na attraction na kami. So far so good. And umulan kanina. Yun nga, napakita ko sa inyo na gumamit kami ng payong. Tapos ngayon, mainit na siya ulit. So, okay na ulit yung weather. Hello!
From the moment that I watched you walk into my life, yeah, I just knew that I had to make a move. And I knew that I had to be with you. I just knew that I had to be with you. I just knew that I had to be with you. magic in your eyes last night. You were shooting pool, we were taking shots under the dim lights. Got a little smile that knocked me off of my seat. I started falling for you, and I didn't know what to do.
.37 na ng hapon and pauwi na kami ni Ken. What do you think, Malam, of like our Universal experience?
I had a great time.
Yeah, we both had a great time and sobrang yung mga attractions na pinuntahan namin, sobrang enjoy kami and it was all worth it. Ano nga lang, maraming lakaran yung nangyari but okay lang, nag-enjoy naman kami. Marami kasing magandang mga mga attractions.
Use the right 2 lanes to merge onto I-4 West.
And ayun.